part 2 of fixing Foord Offroad's WR450. So we've currently dismantled the motorbike and started prepping the surface to TIG up the aluminium frame. So now we're going to TIG it up, and I'll show you how to fix the aluminium, the cast aluminium anyway, and how to get the impurities out of it, clean it properly, and then weld it, and then make it back to new. Cast aluminium has got to be spotless. Get a nice clean rag, some acetone, dip it on there, and then give everything a good wipe down with it. And what that does is it gets rid of any granules around the surface of the metal we've prepped. As you can see, look how dirty that is. So what we're going to do first off is we're going to get the TIG and give it full bearings, and what it does is it brings all the impurities up to the top of the weld, and then we'll add filler rod into it and keep building up that weld until it's back to where it was, and then we can drill it, tap it, and put it back on. So stay tuned. You can't really see it on the camera, but you can see little air bubbles pop up in it as I'm doing it, and what that does is it drags impurities up through the cast aluminium, and it will clean aluminium there, so I can actually lay a layer of weld. So what I'm doing here is using a die grinder bit, a pretty coarse one for aluminium, just to clean it up, because you really want the shiny metal as clean as you can. So I'm just getting rid of all the shit out of the threads and all that. This is for a die grinder, which it is, as you can see, it's in a cordless drill. As my compressor's out of action at the moment. So yeah, all I'm doing is cleaning up the metal there, get nice, smooth, clean metal on top, and then we'll clean it up a bit further. Bit of rag and put some acetone on it, and what the acetone does is take away any gremlins that are just sitting on the surface there. You also have to put some acetone on the rag and clean the filler off. The acetone is worse than brake cleaner is. It finds every cut you never knew you had. Now that is sweet to weld with. Alright, so what you've got to do is you've got to get your TIG, put a lot of bearings into it, and you pretty much just go over it and just keep creating whirlpools all over the weld. And then once it stops bubbling and shit like that, you can actually start adding your filler rod that fills it up. So we'll just start cleaning the surface with the TIG, and then we'll eventually add filler rod and then build it up. So you can see that going over it, that creates it like that, and then slowly getting cleaner and cleaner as I keep going over it. It is cast aluminium, so you do have to keep getting the temperature in it. So at the moment it is reasonably cold, so the more amps that we put into it, eventually it will start heating up. We'll start heating up the cast aluminium, and that'll be a lot easier to get penetration and then on it. Also, if you've noticed, I have my TIG set on pulse frequency. I just reckon it's a bit easier to control because it's not just full carry the entire time. It keeps dropping backwards and forwards. I think it's under 50% pulse. So it drops back to 50% of the actual current, and then it's just a bit easier for me to control. You can move a little bit slower, and I just like it a bit easier. impurities come up to the metal, and then it will eventually go nice and clean metal. And then when that happens, you're ready to add filler rod to it. Just to learn how to TIG. It does take a lot of time and practice. Practice is the main thing. Don't just get discouraged if you pick it up straight away and you can't use it, because be expected not to be able to. It does take a lot of time and practice. So I just wanted to say that. Yeah, we'll get back to, we're just about ready to add the filler rod to it, and then we'll build this weld up here, pretty much grind it, put it back together and tap it, and we're done with this job. As you can see, we've built up, I think it's enough weld now to get back to the original shape. So we'll just grind it back, and then we might have to fill it bits in, and that will take too much off and all that, and we'll just smooth it out and that. So it looks how it did when it came out of the factory. Video, give us a like, subscribe to Foord Offroad. Thanks for them sponsoring this video. Alright, so stay tuned for part 3, which will come out next Tuesday, and you'll be able to see me weld up the titanium and drill and tap these holes and reassemble the motorbike.